Here's one here in C. Here it is for G. So one thing I noticed is you got to figure out different pentatonic scales, different triads, different keys maybe to play in over various chords in a key. So like if I was just playing over G, I know G would work, which is cool, but I would realize that, you know, C could work, D could work, A could work if G was a 4 chord. So I could actually, over the G, I could play A, and then it would make G sound like Lydian and a little more interesting. So I know that could work too. Maybe then what I'll do is I'll play G up, and then I'll go to A for that. This is a major pentatonic lick, so I'll play G major pentatonic and A major pentatonic together, but all over the G. And then that's an interesting pattern. Now it doesn't have to be really hard fingerings. You could just do standard regular old pentatonic licks, but I always try to find different patterns and licks I could do. So I know, like, over G, I could play an F, and then it sounds like G is 5, because, G could be the 5 chord in C, so, or G could be the 4 chord, as we looked at. That gave me A. So basically over G major, I would play a G major pentatonic, I would play actually G minor. You had that major. Minor over major. So I mean, those are all different pentatonics I could play. I could go a half step higher or lower and do some weird sounding stuff, but ones that sound really cool, obviously C works because that'd be 4, and D works because that'd be 5, and the F, and that all works as diatonic arpeggios. Pentatonic scales that could work over the G. So. For all of those. So when I have a run like this, that's kind of cool sounding, maybe. So for a G major lick, I could play, maybe I'll start with G, major pentatonic, A major pentatonic, F major pentatonic, and then maybe end on a G, or whatever. Maybe it sounds cool or not. See, sometimes it sounds good to end on the notes like the 2s, the 4s, the 6s that you've been trying to avoid while you've been searching for 1, 3, 5 all the time. So here's that run.